Welcome. Today we look at this definition here. It is to make a earring, a puffed earring with cutouts. From the start, you can start here by using the surface layout. You can either use the universal profile maker above, or you can use the polygon here. But we're going to concentrate on universal profile. You can make a puffed or a squashed, squared look. We're going to concentrate on the puffed. You can start by picking a profile. You can adjust the dimensions. You can rotate it. So let's say you do a square. You can rotate it. Like that. Okay. Let's go, we're going to stay straight. We're going to go square. Okay. You can adjust the puffing with the we're going to stay about here. Okay. Now, you can adjust the type of cutters, box or universal profile, and the universal profile for the cutter is here. Here we're using a smooth. We can use half round. We can use round. We can use square, drop. Okay, and you can adjust the size here. Okay, that's the universal profile. We're going to use the box. You can use the ellipse or between two curves. And that's between here. Now you can pick the row of the cutter. You can adjust it. You can pick between two curves. You can pick the cutters. Once you've picked them, you can scale them. And you would press record. Press record once. Then you would pick the next set of cutters. Press record again. And the next set. Press record again. And the next set. Press record again. Once you've done that, you move over here. You can clear it, but you can internalize it into the definition. Now we press the downstream, and you can see, okay, 60, 60. Okay, we pressed it twice. Some of these are double in there, so let's clear it. Let's do something different. And let's do that. Okay. Press record. Downstream it. There you go. Now once you've downstreamed it, you can change the shape of it. There you have it. Your earring, ready to go. There's lots of variables in here that you can play with. The thickness of the cutout in here is can be adjusted here as well. So if you want a thicker shell here, you can do that. But right now it's pretty good. This actually is the cutout in here, and you can move that. Here. You can scale it too. And you can change it. Fillet it. And you can scale it. So this creates this hole here. You can use a different component. You can use round. But I just have a polygon right now for that. Now once you've done that, you can downstream it again. You can see the change has been made once you downstream it. Right now we got a data dam here, stopping it from always updating every time you run it in there. Now if you don't want these tiny cutouts at the top here, you can see these. You can, instead of doing that, you can bake this into the definition. Actually, you need the cutters because that's already been done. So you would need to bake these cutters into the definition and back up over here and bake this into the definition. And now you can take these, delete them, and you can adjust them around if you want. And use that as a cutter profile. So everything works pretty good. you go. Thank you for watching.